Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, today I would like to share something over, my experience. This topic today talking about when it got bored, what did you do, how to resolve that. Alright, exactly, I never get bored. Bored, like, when somebody is very totally bored. Totally boring, you know what? But when I got one, some people say going somewhere, get sleep, read a book, or what, go everywhere, hang out with my friend. Exactly, I don't like that. The unique one when I got in my life, when I got bored, I just hit a book every single day, every single night, every single morning. Again and again, when I got bored, learned English, I started learning Esperanto. When I got bored, learned that, I was learning history a lot. I do love history so much. Because nowadays, not so many people don't know about history exactly. You know what? But I do love when I got learned that very totally love learning about history so much. That's because every single day I read a book about history every single night. Because boring very we every single people and entire world get bored, you know what? So how to solve that depend on condition, depend on the people, you know what, depend on as human being people get bored. So I myself, when I got bored, read a book every single day. That's it. Read a book, not learning many languages. Now I just focus for learning English again and again. Then exploring that. Then when I got bored, sometimes when my friend invited me going somewhere, or sometimes when I got bored, I just promote at 5 countries. You know what? United States, Europe, Australia, Africa, Middle East, Asia. That's it. Why? I do love that. This is my hobby to promote at 5 countries. You know what? It's my hobby for you. Yeah, we call out some people, reporter, we call out reporter. But I'm not calling out reporter. Yeah, just increase my languages, increase my English ability or languages. That's it. So the point is, when I got bored, learning very totally make me, make me helpful for me. Right, let's get it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.